Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your apps on every iPhone is from including 5s, 5 iPhone 5, 5s, 6, 6s, 6s plus, 7 plus, 7, even 8 plus, and I think that is even X, iPhone X. I'm gonna use the same method. Yes, I never use iPhone 11, 11 Pro. From iPhone 11 going, I've never used some before, so I don't know how you're going to, but you can try if you can find the options there. So today's video is about how to hide videos and pictures on your iPhone. Only you can see and know the secret, and even you can put a password on it. So without wasting time, let's get to it. So you tap on your first of all, tap on your photos. You see we have hide. Let's hide another thing, maybe this one. Let's try to hide this one. We just place on this one. You place on the arrow, that box here, and you come straight and then tap on hide. But unfortunately we hide some apps, but we still see it here. Here. So we don't want this one to appear. So what do? You go to your settings, and scroll it down to see photos. We are looking for photos, and then scroll it down to see. You see our hiding our one is on. So we just do what you put it off, and then we come back to our photos. So there's nothing to be found there again. Yes, there is something to be found there again. So our next video will be how to put a password on your hide photos and videos. How to lock your hide videos and apps. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for updates. I do upload via money making online tutorials too. So if you are one of it, then this channel is best for you. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm waiting to receive your comments, and don't forget to give me my thumbs up. Okay? Bye.